Hey guys, I'm Shubham from Tech Insider India, and this is the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro, a good pair of really affordable, truly wireless earphones. At the front of this box, you have a bunch of features that Redmi wants to tell you. So first of all, you have dual drivers. You also have Qualcomm's QCC3040 chipset. You also have support for Qualcomm's aptX codec, and finally you have 30 hours of playback time. So I'm really excited to open this and check out the tech. Now first of all, we're going to open it from this end, and here's one packet. This holds all the ear tips that you would be using with this pair of earbuds. And you also have this getting started guide which walks you through the different features of this pair of truly wireless earphones. And on this end we have a charging case. So I'm going to take this out. There we go. Nice matte finish on it. So, what's inside? Well, two earbuds, of course. So, let's take out the plastic. This basically protects this magnetic charging point right over here. And now that it's off, I'm going to place this inside this charging case. And finally take out this little bit of plastic. And you get to know that they are charging because these also have charging indicators right over here, and there's one out here as well on the box. And overall, I think it's a really nice feeling package. It's not that heavy, and it's also very grippy. So just in case you are traveling or you're at, let's say, a high altitude and you're not sure if this thing is going to fall down, well, you should stay secure and you should be assured that nothing's going to happen to these. Now, what I'm going to do is insert these in my ear and tell you how they feel. So these have a rather unusual design because they are somewhat vertical in nature. Mostly earphones are circular or they are facing downwards, but this actually helps because this fits deep inside your outer ear and it gives a really nice secure feeling to you. So even if I do this and let's say you're doing some really jerky motions with your head, these are not going to come out all that easily. On the sides of these earbuds, you have these glossy touch control buttons. These let you navigate through your music, change tracks, or even pause tracks, take calls, stuff of that sort. And on top of this, you also have dual pairing mode with this. So you can connect to two smartphones simultaneously and not have any hassles. And it also has fast pairing. So whenever you take these out of the box of this charging case, they will instantly connect to your device. And other than this, you also have smart functionality, so you can summon your smartphone's voice assistant using these. And also these have intelligent ear detection functionality, which means that when you put them in your ears, the music will automatically start playing, and if you take them off, it will pause. And that was it for this quick unboxing of the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro. I really hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.